Hello and welcome to TNT.
I'm Tristan.
And I'm Tara.
And we're a couple. Okay, so today we're going to be doing the Try Not to Get Scared challenge.
And if we can, if Tristan will move a little bit.
We're here or here?
Over here. Okay. We can put it right. Boop.
Yeah. Okay. Hello, viewers.
This test is only made for brave people. This is a try not to scream or get scared test.
I'll read the next section. Okay. If you actually manage this test, you must follow the rules. Please be aware that this test contains jump scares. Please make sure that you turn off the lights. We don't have that, but we have this good lighting.
Oh, the rules are you have to use headphones. I am so sorry.
We don't have to.
We don't have to? Are you sure?
No.
Okay, whatever.
Okay, we have to use.
We broke one rule. Okay, since this is for YouTube, we can't use headphones. So let's put this up here. And remember, please subscribe.
Okay,
Enough of talking, let's start the test.
Okay.
It's kind of scary. Oh!
Okay, level 1, scary images.
Let's go over for a second.
Okay, that's Slender Man.
Slender Man and her, and I can't remember her name right now.
Oh, Jesus. That's an abortion. Okay, but that's actually Miss Blue with long hair.
Hey, look, Chucky.
That's The Exorcist.
Are you sure?
Yeah. It's on,
It's Chucky.
it's on Netflix.
Ew.
Oh, that's like my child. That's how I'm gonna give birth. Oh, that's that little baby growing up.
No. Level 2.
Oh my gosh, please don't be jump scares. I'm terrified.
Please. Look away.
I'm gonna stare at it. I don't know where it is. Okay, guys, it's as you can see, it's pretty much. These are just scary noises.
It's a jump scared, idiot.
Oh, it said jump scare?
No, it's just gonna be a jump scare. I just know. And I don't
Watch
want
me
to.
fall back in my chair. That's gonna happen at one time in this video, I swear.
Oh my god. I don't want to get jump scared. Cover my eyes, guys, because I'm a wimp. You could call me a wimp all you want.
What is that? Oh, is that a zombie?
Ew.
That's not scary. That's, oh.
Well, hello there.
Me. Oh. Oh my gosh, that's like a summer squad.
Help me. I'm trying to hide myself. We need a pillow.
My.
If you must know, like, I believe these are actually real people.
I believe most of this.
Clowns are real. Just know they're just dressed up people. Oh, that's
That's a demon. She's possessed, I swear.
demon possessed. She's scared.
Oh my gosh, she's gonna get pulled. I know it.
She get pulled.
No, she's gonna turn around and it's gonna be there or something. Or she's just gonna get pulled away. Okay, I don't believe this one because the camera fell. When we play it back, you're gonna see.
I don't want to see. Oh no.
I don't know why, I'm not terrified of any of
I'm
these.
terrified. Angry Bird must look at this.
Oh my god, that's not hanging.
Oh.
Oh, that's a trick.
Dang it! Pause. Ooh. I believe in flying, actually. I believe that I actually flew once. If you must know, story time. Okay, quick story time. While we're in the middle of the video, I know it's a wrong time, but this one time, there was a hypnotizing video. Hypnotizing. And it teaches you, it hypnotizes you into tricking your body to flying. I did it. And I flew. Like, I was hovering from the ground.
Really?
It was scary. It's just because, like, you have to breathe really slow. And so it just makes you
Get the mail. Yeah.
Okay. So while he's gone, he's gonna go for a second. Actually, let's just come with him.
Tristan, I'm taking the video with us. Don't think he cares. Okay, so but we have the GIFs.
Watch it die and like all of this.
The GIFs. I don't know how you pronounce that. I don't know if it's GIF or GIF. But I swear, like, it showed a guy hanging from a tree. I saw that car yesterday.
That's a trigger warning for both of us.
Like, oh my gosh, I saw that car yesterday. That's creepy. They keep coming back.
They probably lived there then.
Probably, but why did they come at the same time? They came at the exact same time. That's creepy.
Okay, I'm gonna walk here.
Story time. So, this one time I almost got kidnapped because...
Not ever stay on one topic for a video.
I know, right? So, it's really weird, but I almost got kidnapped once. So, there's one time, I was at my old house, actually. And, my friend was with me. She's not my friend anymore, no. Because she called me an ass. Because, why keep her as a friend if she called me an asshole? Like, behind my back. Like, she tried to keep it from me. Like, she tried to...
I don't want that for my room.
Dude. Why would they throw it out? Probably bug infested or something. Anyway, so, she was walking me home. And we saw this guy. Really creepy guy, too. When I looked down at his hands, he was holding a gun. He looked at my friend and me. As we just walked around, I looked at him and I was frozen in, like, I was so terrified of this guy. Stop it.
He's probably like has cancer.
And you touched me? Of course. So, then,
Oh my god!
stop.
Wait. Wait.
He guys,
Wait.
he really likes ice.
I don't know why. Whoa.
Oh my gosh, it feels weird. If you guys can see this, I'm like the water is moving. Hashtag science.
Be careful.
If my science teacher sees this, like, please inform me. Why is there water inside of ice?
Whoa.
No, never mind. That's a dumb question.
Okay.
But it like shows the water inside the ice. It's like, is it the first? It's like the first layer frozen. Yeah, it snowed a few days ago, so it wasn't really. They said it was gonna ice. They didn't say snow, so I was still expecting snow, but it just happened to have snow. So I was lucky that day. But anyway, going off of my story because he saw ice and. Come on. Let's go home then. Anyway, guys,
Oh my gosh,
are you a guest? Haven!
Haven's a guest?
Haven's a guest? What? But I run from guests sometimes.
Let's go. Okay, we literally.
And so-
Scary. No. Oh, I see it. There's a little white ghost. You hear that too?
Okay, that has to be fake. That one's fake.
That was a little fake, actually.
And I think that could be fake in a way.
That could be fake.
Oh, I believe anything that happens with Asians. It's just like
That's really racist, man.
no, it's just because like most creepy things happen in Asia. Oh, who are you?
In my face. Where's my pillow? Where's my pillow? Where's my scared pillow? Oh, that's my scared pillow now. Oh, kill the bird. Not me. Kill the bird. So you're making me less scared. Which reminds me of my friend's house being haunted.
Okay, that's final level. Okay,
No.
here, hold my hand because I know it's gonna be scary.
I'm not holding your hand. Who knows what you touched? You touched Ebola earlier.
Did you see that?
No, what happened?
I'll let you watch the video back.
That chair's gonna rock. I know what happened.
Yeah, it's rocking.
How am I the one that's not scared of that?
I don't know. It's something
Actually,
ran to
no,
the
I-
camera. Did you pass or fail? Okay, I failed at the last one.
I failed because I kept hiding behind a pillow. Wait, no, that means I win because it never said I couldn't hide behind a pillow. Oh, the wimp wins. The wimp wins.
Wow.
I'm going to replay this and see if I won or not.
Well, I got scared on the last level.
Try not to scream or scare. Challenge. I haven't had a pillow.
For the best experiences, number 1, be in dark, turn on
You're
all
getting
lights.
a bird.
Okay, but guys, I don't really know where Tara went, but